Hello and welcome to Miyako's kitchen. Today we are going to make lemongrass mushroom noodle salad. It is one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes, and on a hot day like today, this is a dish that you definitely want to try. As always, the recipe is in the description below, so let's get started. Bruise lemongrass to release its flavor, then peel the outer layers and cut into small pieces. With a mortar and pestle, grind lemongrass, black peppercorn, and garlic until it becomes a paste. Add vegan fish sauce and sugar to the lemongrass paste. Slice portobello mushrooms into about a 1/4 inch thickness. Then marinate. Now we're going to prepare the noodles. Soak the rice vermicelli in lukewarm water for about 10 minutes or until they are soft and pliable. In a large pan, bring water to boil and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until it reaches to al dente. Drain and rinse under cold running water. Drain the noodles and set aside. Cut romaine lettuce into about 1/2 inch width. Then cucumber into 1/4 inch matchsticks. Combine vegan fish sauce, white distilled vinegar, lime juice, sugar, and Thai chili. Stir until sugar is dissolved. Alright, it's time to put everything together. Place lettuce in a serving plate, then add noodles. Top with pickled daikon and carrot, then cucumbers. Saute the marinated portobellos for several minutes. Remove from the heat and serve. Garnish with Thai basil and mint, then serve with dressing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, check out more videos on this screen. I'll see you soon. Bye! Waheeguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheeguru Ji Ki Fateh.